Hi everyone, welcome back to Duri's Kitchen. I hope everyone is doing amazing. This is part 2 of my chicken video, so you know how to fry chicken, and now we are going to make a very delicious Ghana chicken stew. So let's get started. So first I am going to fry my onions in the oil I fried my chicken in. Then I'm going to stir it and let it fry until translucent, so anywhere between 4 to 5 minutes. And then whilst that is frying, I'll go ahead and blend some fresh onion, ginger, garlic, pepper, the fried onions. I have got some red chilies as well. Okay, and I'm going to blend it together with the chicken broth or stock from when I cooked the chicken. Okay, so here it is, and now I am going to blend it until very smooth. I am also giving it a little stir to make sure it doesn't burn. So now I am going to pour it in the pot. And then I am going to stir. You can see that I am currently cooking on high heat. It's on number 9 here. So I'm going to keep it on number 9 for a few minutes, and then later on I'll be reducing it. Okay, so cover it and let it fry for about 10-15 minutes. Hey guys, so it's been frying for 10 minutes and I am now giving it one last stir, and I am going to add in my tomato paste or tomato puree. Then I am going to stir. Then I am going to add in some rosemary. I'm using dried rosemary, but please feel free to use the fresh one. Then I'm going to cover and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Hey guys, this is me again. This is after 10 minutes. Look at it, it's starting to look amazing. So I'm now going to add my plum tomato. You can use fresh tomato, chopped tomato, or even tomato sauce. Then I am going to stir. Then I'm going to cover and let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. So after 25 minutes, I'm going to add my seasoning. So I'm adding Rennie chicken seasoning. If you have that one, please use it because it tastes amazing. It's one of my favorite. Then I'm going to add some medium curry powder. Next, I'm going to add some food seasoning. I am also going to add some chicken seasoning. And that's it. Next, I am going to stir. Then let it cook for a further 10 minutes. And I'm going to add in my fried chicken. So basically the stew is almost ready now. Once you start adding in the chicken, you know you are almost done with your stew. Okay, so I've added all my fried chicken, and now I'm going to stir it gently. So guys, this is a very simple tomato stew chicken or fried chicken in tomato stew. Please feel free to add in some green onions, scallions, some bell peppers, or whatever you like. So now I'm going to leave it for a further 10-15 minutes on the lowest heat possible, and there you have it. This is my fantastic Ghanaian chicken stew. Look at this beauty. You really need to try it because it does taste amazing and it goes with everything. I also eat it sometimes with wache, and it's just amazing. Okay, look at this piece of chicken. So now I am going to dish some on a plate so that you can see how this stew looks like. Look at this. Imagine having this stew with your plain rice. It is a banger. I personally like it with boiled plantain. You know, I like plantain and stew, chicken stew. But as I said, it goes with everything, even with banku, with kenke, anything. So yeah, this is a stew that you really must try, and you are not going to be disappointed. It is one of my favorites. So guys, look at this stew. This is Ghanaian soft chicken stew, and I really hope you enjoyed watching it and that you are going to try it. Please do try it. I'm very serious. It tastes great. So guys, thank you all for watching my video, and I'll see you next time for another recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to hit the notification bell if you haven't already, so that you don't miss any of my recipes. Okay, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.